Hey guys, today I'll be taking a quick look at the Jaime Jacobs Nano Boy Pocket wallet, which is a minimalist offering from Jaime Jacobs, which is a company based in Germany. It comes in this nice leather-like box here. I got the black and blue edition, which I really like. Take a look at the inside of the box here. We have some information on how you have to load up the wallet, as well as a QR code for video instructions here. Back to the wallet. I've been using this for around a day now, just to give you my initial thoughts. As you can see, we have two card compartments here. So one is a quick access, and here you have in German and English. So this takes at least 3 and a maximum of 12 cards. And on the opposite side here you have another card slot, which is, they say, for your mostly used card and banknotes. It holds a maximum of 2 cards, and this is very important here, that in order to make the mechanism of the wallet work properly, at least 1 card must be held in this compartment. So I'll show you how that works. And of course here we have a separate coin pocket. As regards the materials, we have this nice tough elastic here, which is made in Germany, I believe, and this very thick strap here, which is kind of like a seat belt material. So it feels very well made. This color I got here is actually vegan leather, so it says you're 100% vegan. They have several other color options and leather options as well. Yeah, so quality wise this seems to be very well made. There's also, I don't know if you can see the detail here, but they have their logo there kind of in the material itself, so it's a nice touch. Now let's load this up. So let's see here, let's go with the main compartment first. So I have 7 cards here just to fill this up. Now, if you don't put any cards in the other slot, which is right here, what happens is that when you use the quick access slot, if you go to get the cards back, you will see that the coin pocket starts to get tugged inside, and that's not good, because once it gets stuck like that, you can't really fix it. So that's why I have to put a card in, at least 1 card in the other slot. So I'll go ahead and do just that here. So put a card right here, and we'll load up the quick access slot. Now with that card stuck in there, at least 1 card, you see that that won't be a problem with the coin pocket anymore. So it acts as a counterbalance, I suppose. So when you use the quick access slot and you're gonna close it up, you kind of push against the ribbon there, and so that keeps everything in place. So that's currently loaded up with 8 cards. They say this is your quick access card, so you can just pull it out from here. But these are also pretty easily accessible here. It's just your archived cards basically, which are all inside this particular slot. And then of course we have the coin pocket, which I'll put some coins into. Now keep in mind that the coin pocket isn't very large. I mean, in videos and photos it kind of seemed larger than it is, but in real life it's quite small, so you can't put a lot of coins in here, otherwise this will bulge up pretty quickly. I put euro coins here, which are quite thick, so you can see there it handles those pretty well. And finally, for cash, let me see, I have a couple of bills here. Now the cash, they say you can also store them in here, in the quick access slot. and they go in kind of like so. So you have to kind of keep them peeking out a bit so you have easy access to them. Otherwise, if they go all the way in, kind of gets harder to reach them. I have a bit of concern about the cache placement here, because if you're gonna take the quick access card here, it feels like they might actually pop out with the card, so I'd be careful about that. And yeah, it gets a bit finicky to maneuver here if you have a card and cache in a pretty tight slot. I don't think there is any other place to put the cache really. I mean, it won't fit in the coin pocket, and you can't really put them in here, I suppose. So you're a bit limited in terms of where you put the cache, and you have to be careful not to lose any bills once you pull out the card in here. So that's just something to keep in mind. Otherwise, yeah, it's a very well built wallet, very original concept. I really like this design. The colors really pop out against the black. It's a minimalist option, so if you're looking for something of the sort, I think this is a pretty good option on the market right now. You can also get this engraved for an extra charge. And that's basically it. Pretty little wallet here from Jamie Jacobs. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.